We launder all of the inmate clothes. We make sure that they have everything that they need as far as necessities go. Anywhere from toilet paper to the shoes, socks, everything. We handle about 200 to 500 officers' uniforms a day and approximately 1,200 pounds of inmate clothing a day. We do the uniforms for the surrounding units, all in the gate store area.
Also the fourth round.
Okay.
Yeah.
Our day begins at 3:30 in the morning and it ends at 12 o'clock noon. And we have to count all of the items of clothing in before we can bring it to the inside the unit to be laundered. And once it's washed, then we have to press it and then hang it, make sure that everything's accounted for. Then it's taken back out to OCI where officers and employees can pick up their items of clothing that they've had processed.
Have a great day.
I enjoy what I do. I like working and we have a good crew and that keeps me coming back every day. I enjoy teaching the inmates how to properly press the clothing because that's a job skill that they can use in order to provide for themselves and their family. It gives me purpose to every day. I have a reason to get up and get dressed and get out the door. It gives me a schedule and I think that's important for my mental health and my husband's.